as you walk into the coach, to your right is a walk-around bed. You can see it goes, and then when you're not using it as a bed, it just folds over like this and turns into a sitting couch. So that way you can kill two birds with one stone in a small trailer. It has cupboard storage above, closet storage below, and as we swing around, double sink, 3-burner stove, microwave, storage up above here in a cabinet. There's a bracket right there for a TV, CD, AM, FM, DVD player. Nice little dinette nook. There's your thermostat for your air conditioning system, or heater, excuse me. A couple of cabinets inside for closet, and it has a little tub shower with a skylight and your commode. Nice little trailer. The double door refrigerator.